Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all have had a happy new year so far and a good start of the new year and January specifically. Today I want to start a new segment, well, bring back an old segment actually, and it's my sewing with Bree segment that I used to do where I would sew different things and bring you guys along in the process. So with this segment I'm either going to be doing designing things from scratch, or I'll be doing thrift flips, so I'm super excited about it. For today's video I'm going to be designing something from scratch, and I recently realized how much I really enjoy making coats, which I think I mentioned in the last video, so I definitely want to start making more coats this year, and this video will be the start of one of them. So without further ado, if you want to see the rest of this video or see more of this kind of content, definitely like, comment, and subscribe. Sorry, I don't know what I was about to say. Like, comment, subscribe, share if you know anyone who also likes sewing or fashion videos or anything under the realm of fashion, and also film, which I'll probably get more into that next week. But yeah, I hope you guys are excited, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video. So let's just get into it. Like I said, I want to start getting back into designing coats, and I'm really excited for this coat. I already had some fabric that I was planning on using, but basically this video is going to be the process of me designing it before I actually get to like me making the coat. So it'll be the sketching, showing you guys the fabric, and just talking about like my inspiration basically. So to start off, so this is the fabric. This is a tweed wool fabric. Initially when I first saw it, I was thinking of Chanel, which is why I already knew I wanted to do a jacket with it. So not all the time, but sometimes I'll get inspired by the fabric. I think for this specific one, I sort of just knew I really wanted to make a coat going into the year, so I wasn't necessarily inspired by the fabric, but it was like sort of a part of like knowing what kind of jacket I wanted to make based on what kind of fabric I am using. So it did play a role in this. The fabric is really thick, so it's definitely gonna keep me warm. I think I have like at least maybe 2 yards or 1.5 yards, something like that, so I should be able to get like either like a nice cropped coat, or I'm trying to do an oversized coat. We'll see if I have enough. I really hope I do. But yeah, I'm really excited for this. So now we're gonna get into my sketching and my my references. So the first thing I usually do when I'm designing anything is looking for references or just a little inspo. And my go-to place is always Pinterest, the best place, to be honest. Honestly, most of my professors, I remember when I was in college, not most of them, just a few of them, they would always like hate on us or just like get on us about getting on Pinterest and like looking for outside sources for inspo. But like, I don't know, Pinterest is just like, it's just the best. Like, I still love it. I still use it anyway. So yeah, that's just a little side note. But anyway, so as you guys can probably tell, or maybe you can't, but from my style, I really like baggy kind of jackets or just like oversized jackets. So I'm looking to probably do this jacket oversized. I was looking at like a few like cropped jackets, like this green one that I found, which is really cute, and it has like the little drawstring at the bottom, which I thought could be a cute little touch. Or even like the classic Chanel jackets, which you guys see, which is what I got the inspo from for the fabric anyway. So I could just do a generic classic Chanel jacket, but honestly I'm probably not gonna do that. I really want this jacket to be something that I actually will wear, so it's most likely gonna be an oversized jacket because that's my style. I usually go into sketching once I have these references that I can go back and forth looking at. So I use Procreate. I know how to sketch on paper, but I don't know, I'm just way better at sketching. In my personal opinion, I'm better at drawing digitally than traditionally, but I really want to get better traditionally, so that's also one of my goals this year, to be able to know how to render drawings the way that I really would like to envision my drawings. For this, I basically just drew everything in gray and black just because I really didn't feel like dealing with the color, and I had the fabric next to me when I was sketching, so I can like envision it. But yeah, I just drew everything in gray and black so it's easier, and it'll go faster that way too. Okay, so now we're basically at the end of the video, but before I end off, I just wanted to show you guys the sketches I ended up coming up with. So I did all my sketching on Procreate, which honestly I use all the time. Illustrator's cool, but it's just more convenient for me to use Procreate. So let me just do it this way actually. Also, just a disclaimer, I'm trying to get better at drawing, so please do not judge me. I will get better by the end of this year. But this is how the drawings came out. I'm looking to either do number 4 or number 5. I really like the whole like baggy look. As you can see, I'm always wearing like baggy pants or baggy sweaters and stuff like that. And my jackets usually reflect that as well. So I'm probably gonna end up doing number 4. I feel like number 6 could be good, but it's cropped. I don't know how I feel about doing a cropped jacket. You'll see in the next video, but those are what I'm deciding between. Yeah, I'm really excited. Before I sign off, I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm planning on posting 2 videos bi-weekly instead of doing every week. I feel like it'd be a lot better for me. So probably doing 1 demo and 1 kind of talking video every 2 weeks. So I'm really excited about that. I hope you guys enjoy the content that I have lined up for this year. And yeah, definitely share definitely share this video with anyone that you know might like sewing or fashion videos, if they want to check out my channel. And check me out on Instagram and TikTok because I definitely post more on there as well. And I might even post more of my process on there with this jacket as I'm doing it too. So if you want to see more everyday kind of stuff or like more frequent videos and content from me, definitely TikTok or Instagram. So yeah, I'll link my users in the description below, or I might put them somewhere in this video. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Can't wait to show you guys the next part of this video when it's in the process of me actually sewing, cutting, all that fun stuff. So yeah, can't wait to see you guys in the next 2 weeks, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your month. Bye!